Hello children, again I am here to help you in maths. Today I have selected the topic list all the subsets of the following sets. Here three sets are given. B is PQ, set C is XYZ, set D is ABCD. We have to write the subsets of these all sets. What is the meaning of subset? In my earlier video, I have explained what is the meaning of subset. Again, I want to introduce set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we observe that all the elements of set A are present in set B. It means A is the subset of B. A is the subset of B. This is the sign of subset. Okay, if all the elements of one set are present in another set, then this set is called the subset of another set. Okay, so here we observe that A is the subset of B. Why it is subset? Because all the elements of A are present in the set B. 1, 2, 3. Set A is having only these three elements. These all three elements are present in set B. That's why A is the subset of B. Okay, now we have to write all the subsets of these sets. First, we will consider the first example. B is equals to PQ. B is equals to PQ. Now they are saying list all the subsets. First of all, we will check out how many subsets this set will have. What is the formula for that? If we want to write number of subsets the set is having, then the formula is 2 to the power n, and where n is the number of elements. Okay, let us write the formula. Number of subsets is equals to 2 to the power n, where n is number of elements of the set. Okay, so according to this formula, number of subsets will be equal to 2 to the power n value. How many elements are there? 1, 2. So n value is 2. So 2 square is 4. Okay, so this set B is equals to PQ. This set will have 4 subsets. Okay, I must tell you first empty set. Empty set means if a set is not having any element inside it, that is called a empty set. It is also called null set. Okay, empty set is the subset of each and every set. Empty set is the subset of each and every set. And self set. Self set means PQ, set B. You can say set B is the subset of set B because all the elements of B are present in B. So B is the subset of B. So first empty set is the subset of all sets, and set itself is also the subset of itself. Now you can make how many smaller sets out of that? We can make P having a single element. If a set is having single element, it is called a singleton set. Remember, if any element is having any set is having single element, that is a singleton set. Now P, one more we can make as Q. Okay, so here we observe that P is the smaller set than this, and this is having only one element, that is P. Okay, and this set is also smaller than this and having only one element, and this one element is present in this, means all the elements of this set are present in set B. All the elements of this set are present in set B. That means these two are subsets of B. Here PQ, all the elements are present in B. So PQ is also subset of B. So we have got four subsets, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer. List all the subsets of set B, PQ. Okay, we have listed all subsets. But before that, we have found out how many subsets this set will have. This set will have four subsets. Okay, by the formula, number of subsets equal to 2 to the power n. N is number of elements of the set. How many elements are there? 2. So you should take n value 2. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. So we have 4 subsets. By using this formula, we cannot miss any subset while writing all the subsets. If we will count Kiana 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, here 4 subsets we should get. So we are getting 4 or not. Then our problem is correct. Now come to the second example. C is equal to x, y, z. Here again, number of subsets are 2 to the power n. That is 2 to the power. What is n value? What is the value of n? 3. Because there are 3 elements. What is the value of n? Yes, 3. Because how many elements are there in the set? 3 elements are there. So 2 to the power n means 2 cube. Means 2 cube 8. So tell me how many subsets will be there? How many subsets will be there? Yes, 8 subsets. Let us list the subsets. First, what I have said, empty set is the subset of each and every set. Then the set itself, x, y, z. Set itself. Empty set is the subset of each and every set, and set itself is also the subset of each and every set. Now, next one, make the smaller subsets x, y, and z. Okay. Now, which more you can make? Two elements you can take, x, y, y, z, and zx. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we got how many? 8 subsets. Right? What we have done? We have first checked how many subsets will this set have. So number of subset formula is 2 to the power n. That is 2 cube. That is 8. Okay. So let us see we get 8 subsets or not. An empty set is the subset of each and every set. Self set also subset. Then smaller sets how many you can make? First single element take. Then two elements take. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we have 8. We have counted 8 subsets we are getting. So our problem is correct. Right? So easy it is. Now next one.